Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. If you want, you can hit like button. It will work as a shout out to our team and subscribe too. Anyway, now let's get right into the video. The first news is coming from Iran. So the threat actors, which is known as backdoor diplomacy, has been linked to a new wave of attack targeting Iranian government entities between July and late December 2022. So Palo Alto Network 42, which is tracking the activity under the consultation themed moniker Playful Taurus, said that it observed the government domains attempting to connect to the malware infrastructure previously identified as associated with the adversary. So this is also known by the name APT15, KE Chang, Nickel, and Vixen Panda, which is a Chinese APT group, has a history of cyber espionage campaign aimed to the government and diplomatic entities across North America, South America, Africa, and the Middle East at least since 2010. So, what do you think? Who is in behind? China or someone else? Who are the uh, enemy of Iran? Just let me know in the comment section. So, if I'll tell you in one line what exactly this news means, then basically Iranian government entities is under attack by new wave of backdoor diplomacy attacks. Anyway, now the next news is related to one of the Python packages. So a threat actors has uploaded to the PyPy, which is a Python package indexing repository, three malicious packages that carry code to drop info stealer malware on the developer system. The malicious packages discovered by Fortnite and were all uploaded by the same name, same author name, Lollipop, which was between January 7 and 12, 2023. So their name are Color Slip, HTTP Slip, and Lib HTTPS. All three has been reported and removed from the Python package index. So Python package index is basically, if you don't know, then this is the most widely used Python repository by Python packages that software developer use to source the building blocks of their projects. Anyway, now the next news is related to Avast. So software security software company Avast has released three decryptors for the Bianlian ransomware strain to help victims of malware recovered logged file without paying the hackers. So the availability of the decryptor come only about half a year after increased activity from the Bianlian ransomware of the summer of 2022, when this threat group breached multiple high-profile organizations. So Avast decryption tools has only held victims attacked by a known variant of Bianlian ransomware. Let's see. Now, last news is related to Microsoft. So, Microsoft basically released advanced hunting queries, which is called AHQs, and a PowerShell script to find and recover some of the Windows application shortcut, which was deleted Friday morning by the buggy Microsoft Defender ASR rules. So, early morning on January 13th, Microsoft released a new Microsoft Defender signature update that include a change to the attack surface reduction ASR rules known as block Win32 API, which calls from the Office macros. So in configuration manager and Win32 import from Office macro code in Intune. So this rule detected and blocked malware from the using VBA macros to call Win32 APIs. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment and feedback. You may subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day and stay with me. Jai Hind.